Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to get started with FeedYu. This video will cover how to set up your restaurant, how to add items to the menu, and how to start accepting online payments. We'll start with setting up your restaurant. So after you log in, you'll see a dashboard with all the relevant information that you might need. Here you can view orders you had this month, total revenue, number of orders, and your website total views. You can also check what plan you currently have. So to set up your restaurant, go to the restaurant section. Here you will need to fill out the form. Add your restaurant name, description, your address, and phone number. Set the minimum order amount, preparation time, okay, and choose your currency. And let your customers know about the payment info. We'll say that we accept cash on delivery and cash on pickup. Also set the WhatsApp phone number on which you'll be receiving the orders. Okay, now upload the branding images you want to be on your website. Your restaurant logo. Okay, click open. Your restaurant cover image. And the restaurant image for the internal use. Okay. And click Save. You can also set working hours by clicking on the working hours section over here. So, for example, you can set that your restaurant works from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Monday to Friday. Okay. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturday, and unclick it if your restaurant doesn't work on a particular day, for example on Sundays. Also, if you're working in shifts, you can adjust it by clicking on the Add New Shift button and set up your working hours there. In the Apps section, you can add the payment getaways. We currently support mobile and PayPal. Here you can also set up your printers and your time zone. Also, you need to set up delivery areas. Now, to do so, go to the delivery areas section and add places where your restaurant delivers and how much does it cost. For example, you deliver only in central London and delivery cost is £2. And press Insert. Now you can preview how the website will look live by going back to Restaurant Management and clicking on the View It button over here. And here we go. Now let me show you how to add items to your restaurant menu. To add items, go to the menu section over here. Now, let's say your restaurant offers burgers, sides, and shares. So you'll need to add two sections, burgers and sides and shares, which you already have over here. You can add as many categories as you need by clicking on the Add New Category button. Now, let's add items to our burgers category. Put the name of your item, the description, and the price. Now, upload the image, and of course, click Save. Okay. Now let's say you want to add variations and extras for your item. Click on the item and scroll down and you'll see the Enable Variables toggle. Turn it on and click Save. Now you can add your extras and put the price for it. You can add as many extras as you want. We will add blue cheese and set a price for £3. Okay. Roasted peppers for £2. And jalapeno peppers also for £2. To add variants, click on this button here, Add Variant. Now put the name for the variant. Let it be the burger size. So we will have 150 grams, 200 grams, 300 grams burgers, and press Insert. After you're done, go back to the product page, press Add Variant, and set the price for the variants. So it's $11.99 for a 150 gram burger, $13.99 for 200 grams, and $15.99 for 300 grams burgers. You can always come back later to edit the variants, options, and prices. Now let's preview how it will look like on the website. Okay, here we go. So the last step is to connect payments. Now to do so, go to the plan section and upgrade to scale. Our free plan allows you to create a website that will work as a catalog, but if you want to receive orders and payments online, you need to have a paid plan. Alright, thanks for watching, and that's how to get started with FeedYu.